Hello, let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to learn German but thought it was too difficult? Many people believe German sounds scary, but today I'll prove something to you. German is actually logical, clear, and easier than you think. And by the end of this video, you will already speak German. Ready? Let's start. In German, we say Hallo. Hallo means hello. Simple, right? Please repeat. Hello. Good. You already know your first German word. German love polite greetings. In the morning we say Guten Morgen. That means good morning. Repeat. Guten Morgen. Very good. During the day we say Guten Tag. Repeat. Guten Tag. Excellent. And in the evening, Guten Abend. Repeat. Guten Abend. Perfect. Look at that. You can already greet people in German. Now let's do something powerful. Let's introduce yourself. In German, you say "Ich heiße." It means my name is. Listen carefully. Ich heiße German Bauer. Now you try. Say "Ich heiße" and add your name. Amazing. You just spoke your first full German sentence. Now imagine you meet someone. You want to ask their name. You say "Wie heißt du?" That means, what is your name? Repeat, wie heißt du? Very good. Let's make a small conversation. I speak first. Hallo, ich heiße Anna. Wie heißt du? Perfect. You just had your first German conversation. Every language has polite words. German too. Say danke. That means thank you. Repeat danke. Good. Now you say bitte. This means please or you are welcome. Repeat bitte. Excellent. One more important word Entschuldigung. It means excuse me or sorry. Repeat slowly. Entschuldigung. Very good. Let's try a real situation. Imagine you meet a German person. Now speak with me. Hallo. Is Heiser. Add your name after is Heiser. Wie heißt du? Freut mich. That means nice to meet you. Repeat. Freut mich. Amazing. You are now communicating in German. Stop for a second. 5 minutes ago, maybe you knew zero German, but now you can greet someone, introduce yourself, ask a name, say thank you. This is real progress. Learning a language starts with small wins, and today you had your first win. Here is a secret: you do not learn German by memorizing thousands of words. You learn German by speaking a little every day. One sentence daily, one conversation daily. That's how fluency begins. Let's repeat everything together. Hallo, guten Tag, ich heiße, wie heißt du, danke, bitte, freut mich. Excellent work. If you understand this video, you already started learning German, and this is only day one. In the next lesson, we will learn how to order food in German. So stay with me. Bis bald. Tschüss.